Hello dosto, good morning. I am Arnab Guha from Impeccable Innovations Private Limited. We are a agri health food startup from Bangalore, India. And today I am here to discuss something on what can be a very quick turnaround during this second wave of COVID. Yes, we all are in a spot of bother, and there is uh, a lot of issues are going on across India, and people are losing life. So definitely, this is a very difficult situation for our whole country. And now I'm in Bangalore, where there is a 14 days lockdown, and yes, things are not looking rosy or encouraging enough, but definitely there should be some possibility out. Okay, so to start with, those people who don't know me, my background is I'm a food scientist, I'm a food technologist. Basically, I've done my masters in food science and technology from Haryana Agriculture University, Hisar, and I've done my bachelor's again in food technology from Delhi University, Bhaskaracharya College of Applied Sciences. So this is my background, and I've earlier worked in corporates like Britannia, Heinz, Novozymes, and I have 5 patents in various fields of life sciences. So currently we are running this small startup from Bangalore where we are manufacturing gluten-free foods, which is nutritious enough, and under the brand of Spotify. What can be a quick turnaround? See, we are today sitting on 30th April 2021, and we are seeing that more than 3 lakh to 4 lakh, let's say, the cases are coming of fresh infection of COVID-19 every day, and thousands of people are dying every day. And why this is happening in the second wave? One of the major reason is definitely the mutant virus which is coming, which we call today as a Indian variant or the double mutant, is definitely is a slightly lethal version in terms of the spreading of this virus. It's even more spreader as compared to the 2020 the coronavirus which came to India. And obviously there are hundreds of variant of mutants of the COVID-19 virus, but this particular is spreading really fast, and we all can today castigate the uh, government setup, the infrastructure. We can castigate our media line. We can castigate those people who were not abiding by the protocols of COVID-19 in our society, because of which this spread has happened. But one thing is for sure, that what has happened already, we cannot change the past, but we can try to have a better future, and that is the main idea of this video, and how we can do a quick turnaround. So before we go to the exact topic of the solution which is in my mind, one thing I just tell you, that let's say almost like 3 lakh to 4 lakh cases are there, fresh cases. Out of that, more than 90%, let's say around 90% of these cases can be treated at home. They are not, the patient will not go in a critical condition. Definitely they can be at home and take all the precautions and all. But let's say 6 to 7% of this fresh cases turn to be in a critical stage, and out of this 6 to 7% of these cases, like almost, let's say, 10 to 20% of these cases end up into fatalities. So if this is going to continue for the next 10 days, so that means there are more than 30 lakh to 40 lakh new cases will happen by 10th of May. And that means that let's say around 2 lakh new beds we require in India. And obviously the patients who are already in, they will not be vacating the bed in next 10 days. Many of them may not vacate, and because their treatment is ongoing, and usually it is happening for around 2 weeks, let's say 2 weeks to 3 weeks. In that scenario, when there is lack of bed, lack of oxygen cylinder, lack of medicines, life-saving medicines, some of the medicines which are now getting at least at least lessening the effect of the COVID virus. So when there is so much of shortage of the resources, so what is the solution? If everything was going in a right direction and everything was under control, then we should not have bothered, correct? If everything was in the control of the stakeholders, then this should not have happened. But now when it has happened, we need to find the solution. And in my opinion, the main solution at this moment is we should focus on the fresh cases which will come in next 10 days. And the fresh cases which will come in next 10 days, which will be in the region of, let's say, 3 lakh to 4 lakh to 5 lakh per day, we have to make them understand is their infection may have, they may have got the infection maybe 3-4 days ago, but the main symptoms they will start to see from, let's say, 1st of May, let's say from tomorrow. So what is the main solution is an early interventions of the medicines and other precautions is very much, is extremely important. Because if you don't do early intervention, when you have even a small symptom of COVID-19, by now I am sure that majority of the Indians, they will know what are the usual symptoms of COVID-19. So assuming that you have any mild symptoms also, assume that this is a COVID which you have got infected, and take subsequent medication by consulting your doctor. So today's video is not like I am prescribing something or something. Today's video is mainly to make you understand the value of early intervention. This virus is definitely more lethal than the last one. Lethal in the sense means it's spreading quite a lot. And so it is very important that we should go for early interventions. And early interventions will also include the vapor that you are supposed to give. Let's say if you go out to market to buy some milk, bread, etc., food, you should come back home and take your steam. That is one of the important things that I am prescribing or recommending in this video, is take steam. It looks very innocuous, but it is really helpful, and you can wear different types of steam for 5 to 10 minutes whenever you go out of the home. And also, even if you are not going out of the home, at least take once in a day. That should at least help. And you can take it from your nose and release from your mouth, or you take it from your mouth and release from the nose. So different things of steaming you can do. This is extremely important. If you have initial symptoms of sore throat and other issue, you should do gargle of Betadine with hot water. That will help. And because if you don't act in the first 3-4 days, let's say, better to act within the first 2 days when you even feel any symptom. If you are able to act within first 3-4 days, then the virus will not take over your body. Then you will have much more chances of survival. Let's say even if you have any comorbidities, but the idea is you have to be conscious about your body. थोड़ा सा भी सिम्टम दिखे आपको, मतलब आप जस्ट एज्यूम करो कि ये शायद कोरोना वायरस आपको हुआ है, एंड उसके बाद अपने डॉक्टर्स के पास जाइए. बिकॉज वंस यू डिले and once you just take little bit of spice and kada and little bit of everything, little bit of things, it may not be able to protect your early the infection rate in your body. That is very important. And because see, end of the day, today we are on 30th of April. It's not that tomorrow something magic will happen in our infrastructure of India and everything will be provided to everyone. No, we have to be conscious about our health. We have to be conscious about our destiny, and it cannot be that just a virus will take over our life. Okay, and it's very important to help others, those who may not be from the science background, those who may not be from even from the biology background. It is very important to spread the message, the right message of how to protect yourself. And I think that media has to play its pivotal role, not just by showing the dead bodies and the crematorium and creating a panic or something. This is not the time to create panic. This is also not the time to be panicked. This is the time where we have to rise above our personal agenda. We have to rise above our personal thing and we have to help others, because like when you are driving a vehicle, however safe you drive, if your fellow driver on a road is not driving safely, it may lead to an accident. So same way, if your fellow citizens are not having the correct knowledge, or there is a lack of knowledge how to protect themselves, it may impact you as well. So it is very important that we need to create more awareness. And see, the social media or the print media or anything is flooded with lot of solutions, lot of information, but what we need to do is one thing right, one critical thing right, one very easy thing, we need to do it right. And what is the critical and the easy thing is do an early interventions. Even if you have slightest of symptoms, if your body is not feeling okay, you have to work towards it. Okay, and so I have given a post in my Facebook timeline, just read it, and it is very important that we need to fight this, we need to help out, because end of the day, the ventilators, the ICU beds, the oxygen beds, the new drugs which are now getting prescribed to the COVID patient to lessen their conditions of infection, it's not going to get created. This infrastructure is not going to get created overnight. It will take time, but definitely we as a scientific professional, we need to create more awareness. Unless we do create more awareness, many people will not know. And I think here the role of radio is very important in terms of the FM bandwidth as well as the medium wave MW bandwidth. And I'll say that if given a chance, I'll also like to talk in the Prasar Bharati or Vigyan Bhavan in the medium wave, so that it reaches to more and more people. And we should try to talk in different languages of India, so that mass population reaches. Because today I'm talking in Facebook, or I may upload this video tomorrow in YouTube. It's a very limited population of people who are accessing the Facebook or YouTube. Majority of the population, due to the ongoing stress and trauma and what all not is happening outside, people are not able to focus what to follow, what to adhere to. So we need to reach out to the masses, and I think even more than Doordarshan in India, and I think the reach of radio is very important. And I'll urge the All India Radio to put more message, a scientific message in a very simple way, and not to confuse people, but just give them one point which can save at least one life. We need to focus on simple solution now when we have lack of resources. And I'll also like to say to the main stakeholders like the government, state government or central government or any other judiciaries, that this is the right time to win together. If anyone loses, we all lose. If we all win, then only we can win. So this is the main message. And from the nutrition angle, I'll say please go to the website of FSSAI, our Food Safety Authority of India. Type junk food. There it's clearly written which food are called junk food. To me, a junk food is a food which you will think twice to give to your child or child in your family, because you are also not sure it may do certain harm to the health of the child. So if you feel any food which is not okay for your child, term it as junk food, and please don't consume it, especially in this pandemic. You will get lot of chance to eat lot of funky foods later in your life, but no, this is not the time to eat junk food. You should not have a junk diet. Try to adhere to nutritious diet, and if you can, if you have the access, go for only home food, home cooked food. Okay, and this is very important because immunity is an imperative today, because what we have seen from the data is the antibodies which are fighting against the coronavirus, whether it is formed from a vaccine or whether a prior infection, the antibodies that you have in your body to fight the coronavirus COVID-19 can last only for, let's say, 5 to 6 months. It's not like for your lifetime. It's not even for your 1 year period. Just before this call, I've talked to some person who got second time infected in a space of 5 months. And definitely the infection is there, but the thing is, It's not that eating good diet, good nutrition, you may not have the infection. No, you may have, but at least your body will have the energy, the immunity to fight it out. If you are not having a good diet, then it becomes even more difficult. And I'll say that if you have a good diet, then it will even help the efficacy of your vaccine to produce better memory T cells, which can fight your coronavirus infection for a longer duration. Like it will give you even more, maybe 5 months ki jagah 6 months. It may give you protection. But definitely, if you are not taking proper diet and not doing little bit of exercise at home, it is not going to help. So early intervention, right diet, and at least little bit of exercise and having a positive mindset is what we need today in corona pandemic. I hope that at least you trust what we are saying in this situation. It's not out of any vested interest. It is just for the welfare of our society. Those people who may not understand the value of good diet, early interventions, if you have any little bit of symptoms. Okay, I'm ready to do this video again in a Hindi language or in a Bengali language later in the day. If you have any question to ask, please write it in the comment section, and you can call us 24/7. We are open to at least answer to your any basic queries that you have in terms of the nutrition, etc. You can call us 24/7. We are in the Indian Standard Time. You can call us at +91, and our phone number is 77608 I repeat, 77608 My condolences to all the families who have lost their dear ones, near and dear ones in this COVID-19. And I'm sure that you may not have come out of that trauma yet, but definitely whatever learnings that you have got on the way the patient was moving, this is very important that you share your knowledge through social media, through your WhatsApp, so that at least through your experience we can save one more life. Maybe some of the things which you may have missed, maybe the other family will at least get some help. So जैसे हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में, डूबते हुए को एक तिनके का सारा बहुत है. तो that's why small bit of information at this moment will go a long way, and I hope and I pray that we come out of this pandemic in quicker time. So we don't have luxury of time. The time is running, and we have to do something which can have a quicker turnaround at the least costly input. So that means we may not have the resource, people may not have the resource, but what they can do to protect themselves is, the theme of this video is early interventions. Early interventions, whenever you have any symptoms of corona, attack it. Okay, don't delay. This is not the time to show that you are a He-Man, that you are the strongest in the world. You don't have to show today. If you have little bit of symptom, please start the medication, eat right food. And as we are working for last 3-4 years in the gluten-free segment, so it's unbiased that we recommend gluten-free food at least for this time, but it depends on people, on the predisposition and all. But definitely don't take it lightly. If you miss the mark, it will be very difficult 8th, 9th, 10th day onward to revive the huge infection that would have gone into the body, into the lungs, etc. Okay, so please take care of your family, spread the right message, don't panic. This is not the time to panic. Okay, this is the right time to spread the right information which is easily followable, जो easily दूसरे apply कर सकते हैं अपने life में. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for listening to me.